In this lesson, we're going to talk about finding the average or the mean of the set of data. This example says, Michelle asked her classmates how many hours of sleep they got each night. Their responses in hours are below. Find the mean number of hours the classmates slept. So you want to find the average, kind of the middle of the road that everybody slept. Because you're going to have people that sleep only 7 hours, and you're going to have people that sleep 11 hours. So you kind of want to have, well, if everybody slept the same amount, what would it be? What's kind of in the middle? Okay, and there's 2 steps to finding the mean, okay, the average. The first step is to add all of the data. Now you're going to find the sum. So I'm going to take 8 plus 10 plus 8 plus 8 plus 11 plus 11 plus 9 plus 8 plus 10 plus 7. And I'm going to add them all up and find out what the sum is. And I encourage you to use a calculator, but you do need to show the sum so that I know what you've done in your work. When I add all these up in my calculator, I get 90. So if my sum of my data is 90, I have a second step. I'm going to take the total and I'm going to divide it by how many data points I had. In this case, I'm dividing it by how many classmates were sleeping those 90 hours. I'm going to divide it out evenly to see how much each person would sleep if everybody slept the same amount. So the second step, divide by the number of data you have. So let's see, I spelled number wrong. So I'm taking 90 and I'm going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 people in this case. And that would mean that everybody would have slept an average of 9 hours. 90 divided by 10 is 9. So 9 is my mean. So again, just to refresh, the 2 steps that you're taking, first you're adding all of the data together, and then you are dividing by the number of data that you have. So count up how many numbers you added together, divide by that, and that would be your mean.